Brown ants in your home? Before grabbing those store-bought sprays, pause for a second.
Centuries ago, people didn't have chemical repellents, yet their homes stayed ant-free. They used simple, powerful remedies straight from their kitchens, remedies so effective that most modern products are just copies of those age-old tricks. So why not skip the replica and rediscover the original, the real lost remedies that still work better today? Now, let's open that treasure chest of forgotten remedies that once kept homes naturally ant-free. Old homes often had chalk lines across doorways and shelves. That wasn't decoration, chalk's calcium carbonate disrupted the ants' scent path. Modern ant chalk sticks are nothing but chemicalized versions of this natural trick. Clove buds and cinnamon sticks placed in corners made ants lose direction. Their strong aroma masks pheromone scents. Today's aroma-based ant repellents or diffusers use the same oils. Boiling neem leaves and using that water for mopping was more than a cleaning habit, it created an invisible barrier. Modern neem-based floor cleaners and sprays replicate this very remedy. Old kitchens stayed ant-free because surfaces were wiped with lemon peels and turmeric. The citric acid cuts off scent trails, and turmeric's curcumin naturally repels insects. Modern lemon disinfectants? Just a shiny repackaging of this wisdom. Mix rice flour and turmeric and sprinkle it where ants enter. Ants carry it back, and it disrupts their digestion, an old rural method that still works safely.
Science today confirms what old wisdom practiced centuries ago. Neem's azadirachtin confuses insects, hormones. Citric acid breaks pheromone trails. Eugenol from cloves disturbs their nervous system. Even chalk's minerals block navigation. What researchers call natural insect disruption, our grandmothers simply called cleaning day. But what if you don't have the time to try these age-old remedies? You can still choose their modern-day reflection, natural ant repellents made from neem, lemon, or peppermint extracts. They carry the same ancient essence, just bottled for convenience. I've shared one such option in the description below, a neem-based floor cleaner that keeps ants away naturally, without harsh chemicals.
Today's ant sprays, wipes, and diffusers promise quick fixes. But look closely, most list lemon oil, neem extract, or clove essence. They're replicas of the same old ingredients, just bottled with preservatives and price tags. So why not return to the roots? When the original works better, safer, and costs almost nothing.
To bring these remedies back into daily life, start small. Wipe your shelves weekly with neem water. Keep lemon peels in corners. Sprinkle chalk or turmeric where ants appear. You are not just repelling ants, you are reviving generations of home wisdom that valued harmony over harshness. The next time you spot brown ants on your floor, don't rush for the chemical spray. Just check your kitchen jar, it's your home's little treasure chest of old school fixes. You see, the best solutions aren't always modern ones. They're usually the old tricks we stopped trusting. These natural remedies may not work overnight, but stick with them, and you'll see their gentle magic over time. Got a few old tricks of your own? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more lost kitchen remedies that still work wonders today.